Now let's dive into the modules in Node.js. Here we have opened the documentation of Node.js. You can go through the search engine and come to this page, documentation page of Node.js. I'll also provide the link within the description of the video. In this documentation on the left hand side, you can see that there are number of modules available like console. We have already used console.log in our application. Then there is crypto for encryption of the password and relevant stuff. There is a file system to actually work with the files, and HTTP, HTTPS, and so on. So all these modules are the standard modules of Node.js. You can use this standard module into your application. So now let's try to understand how to consume this module into your Node application. In order to consume it, let's go for the file system, and for the demonstration purpose, let's search fs.writeFileSync method. So here writeFileSync is a method and fs is the module. So how to use this inside your Node application? Let's see that. Go to Visual Studio and let's start writing the code. The code says that fs.writeFileSync. So I'll do fs.writeFileSync. It has two parameters. One is the file to be created and one is the message to be printed into that file. Let's save it and try to run it using our terminal. So node 14.js will gives an error, and let's try to see that error, and that error says that reference error fs not defined. What that means? This fs module is not recognizable to the current node application. So what you need to do is, whenever you are using any module, you need to declare some variable which hold that module using the require method. So inside the require method, you need to mention the module name, and that module name need to be holded into one constant variable which will actually deal for that module. Here fs is taken from the documentation. As you can see that fs is the module name, fs.writeLine. So fs is the module name and write_sync or writeFileSync are the methods. So we used require fs. So this particular module is included in our project, like hash include in C language. And this particular module included into your Node application is now handled by the variable, constant variable fs. Can I give some different name to it? Yes, it is possible. But as per the coding standards, it is suggested to use the same constant name as that of the module name for the understanding which module we are using throughout the application. So it is better to give the same name as module name to the constant variable we are using. So fs.writeLine, now writeFileSync will now create a file abc.txt with the matter welcome to Node.js if this module is properly included in your project. So let's see that whether it is done properly or not. Move to terminal, type node 14.js, and nothing appears here. But if you look at the explorer section, abc.txt file generated, double click on that and you can see that welcome to Node.js message is saved into this file abc.txt. So this way you can actually introduce module into your Node application. Thanks.